Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Friday Night Funkin' on Asu. The primary method involves using Asu Mania, a dedicated rhythm game mode within Asu. This mode is quite similar to Friday Night Funkin', featuring notes that fall down the screen. You can choose different key configurations, such as 4-key or 7-key, to match your preferred playstyle and the complexity of the songs. To get started, you'll want to find existing Friday Night Funkin' beat maps. The Asu community has created numerous maps for popular FNF songs and mods. You can easily search for these on the official Asu website by typing Friday Night Funkin' or the name of a specific song. Many community forums and skinning sites also offer these beat maps for download, providing a wide selection. To truly immerse yourself, consider using a custom Friday Night Funkin' skin for Asu Mania. These skins change the game's appearance, replacing standard Asu elements with familiar FNF arrows, hit effects, and user interface designs. You can find many excellent skins on the Asu forums or various community websites. Simply download your chosen skin and place its folder into your Asu skins directory. If a specific Friday Night Funkin' song or mod isn't available as an Asu beat map, you can convert its charts yourself. Tools like the FNF2 Asu Mania Converter allow you to transform FNF chart files into playable Asu Mania beat maps. You'll need the original song's audio and chart data. Follow the converter's instructions carefully to generate an Asu beat map file, which you can then import and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.